Welcome everyone for the video session we'll get on today. This video today, the main objective we'll get I will explain for you what be each and every component for the PHP Artisan serve command. Okay, so more go now, we'll take each and every word with the inside a PHP Artisan serve command. The first one, PHP. Now the PHP will write down for inside that command. We write down because PHP na two way we go use them for run the command. Now the reason why it is so na because Laravel na PHP framework. So we need PHP for run them. We need for call PHP. Say Siamo, we want run one of your framework, can run them for we. Okay? That mean that the reason I will put PHP for front. Now Artisan, okay? Excuse my pronunciation there, okay? So Artisan na the name way Laravel give their command line to. An example of a command line tool now that terminal will be type that installation, PHP create project command. Okay, that terminal right now example of a command line tool. That's under the name way Laravel give their command line tool, and the command line, this command line tool, it get plenty commands inside where they get common tasks like migration, seeding. This one they don't need for no migration. Now they use them for say more populate what database. Okay. Then the serve word, that serve word with the inside that command. Now this one command we Artisan sabi. Okay. So when person run PHP Artisan serve, it means say make Laravel start one small server where they useful for the development. This server will allow you test your Laravel application for your own computer. We get the whole thing now. So now the purpose of that serve that for this. So if we want join all them in one, when we type PHP Artisan serve, what we actually mean? It means say make Laravel Artisan start some small server for development, and the person fee open the Laravel application for web browser with the address where it will look like HTTP localhost 8000 or HTTP / we get 127.0.0.1 8000. Okay, so with this, okay, now you go help we more test for see the changes we will make for our application. So now the purpose that for that PHP Artisan serve command. Okay, so today now here we will end for this video. Okay, you stay tuned for the next video, and for the next video you will see for the suggestion the way go appear which we will learn next. Okay, if you get any question, I beg use that comment section for down there. You let me know, then I will see how I feel help. If we work together, we help each other, or we'll see how we will resolve the problem. So once again, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye for now.